and welcome to MyETeacher, where we watch, listen and grow. Hi, I'm Pushpa and I'm a teacher by profession. We believe that education is the greatest gift that you can give someone. MyETeacher is a group of professionals who have come together to bring free and quality education to all those who seek it. Let's move on to today's topic. So as a kid, we often played this game called name, place and everything. And we often did it in class when the teacher was not looking at us. So do you do such sort of things? I hope not. Okay, so what was this game all about? Here, we had to choose an alphabet. All of us would choose an alphabet and we would have to write name of person, place, animal and things starting from that alphabet. Let's take an example. If the alphabet was P, for name of a person I could write Pushpa. For name of a place I could write Pune. For animal I would write parrot. And for thing I could write a pen. So what are all these? Names of people, places, animals, things, ideas, all these as nouns. Nouns can be classified in various ways. Today we are going to look at this classification. Common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, concrete and abstract nouns. So let's first take common nouns. So common noun is a general name given to a person, place or thing. For example, a girl. It could be any girl. Okay, so it's a general name given to the entire group. But if I say Pushpa, it's the name of a specific girl. So it becomes a proper noun. Let's take another example. If I say a city, it could be any city in this world. But if I say New Delhi, then we all know that I am talking about a specific city. This is a proper noun. So girl and city will be common noun. Pushpa and New Delhi will be a proper noun. All proper nouns are started in capital letters irrespective of where they are in the sentence. Let's now move on to what are collective nouns. So collective noun is a name given to a group of same things. For example, if I say a group of people, then I am giving one single name to that entire group, that is crowd. So that becomes a collective noun. For example, we have a swarm of bees, a herd of cows, a library of books, a bunch of grapes. All these words, that is crowd, swarm, herd, bunch, library, these are all known as collective nouns. So it is one name given to that entire group. So if we look at this, a herd of cows, herd will be the collective noun and cows will be the common noun. What are concrete and abstract nouns? All these nouns that we have talked about till now can either be seen, touched, smelt, tasted or heard. Yes, when I say apple, we all imagine an apple and the image in all our minds will be similar. The colors may be a little different, but the image will be similar because you can see it, you can touch it, you can smell it. But there are certain nouns which cannot be touched, seen, smelt, tasted or heard. For example, if I tell you anger, the image in my mind is very different from the image in yours. If I say love, the image in my mind is very different from yours. So, such nouns which cannot be felt, which cannot be seen, smelt, heard or tasted are known as abstract nouns. For example, anger and love that we've already seen, childhood, adulthood. All these are abstract nouns. So, let's have a look at what we did today. We saw that nouns are names of people, places, things or ideas. The types of nouns that we saw today are common nouns, which is a general name given to an entire group. For example, boy. Proper noun is the name of a specific person, place or thing. For example, Tom. Collective nouns is a name given to an entire group. For example, a bunch of keys. Abstract nouns and concrete nouns. Concrete nouns can be either seen, touched, smelled, heard or tasted. With abstract nouns, you cannot do that. So, example for concrete noun can be an apple, and that for an abstract noun can be anger. I hope you have understood what are nouns and the various types of nouns. If you like our videos, do not forget to press the like button. For many more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Share it with your family and friends. When you love us, it helps us grow. Thank you.